Hey, so I'm going to share with you the method that I used. It's a 1 minute method, and I can, with my hand on my heart, say that it really changed my life, this method, when it comes to manifesting and manifesting money. I'm in an airport. I'm trying to juggle YouTube and my day job, so hopefully you can hear me okay. So this is a series. I share what helped me manifest money. You can watch the other videos on the playlist. You will find it on the front page of Terry and the Guide Inside. Or you can look at the video published 24 hours before this and 24 hours before that. And I share what has helped me, concrete, actual steps you can do. And I'm going to do that soon, getting to the point. But I would like to invite you to share your steps in the comments. Let's help each other, right? If you have a method that you have, or an insight or perspective, please share it so we can all learn from each other in the comments. So, what is the method I'm talking about? It is the method, and some of you guys have seen this before, and it might be just a nice reminder, but for most of you, you've never seen me before, and this is new to you. I call it the speak up method, and it is linked down below, the whole framework, step by step, with all the insights. It's free. Just look down below where it says the speak up method. Leave your email, get it, you can read it now if you want to pause the video. But I won't go through every step, but I will tell you the main points of this method. And I won't tell you how I discovered it, or it's gonna take too long. Let's stick to the point, right? So when you manifest money, let's stick to money. Through the speak up method, you raise your head like this. This is gonna make sense when you read the description, and you speak out loud, manifest by voice. And here's the clue. This is what changed everything for me. You manifest not oh shit, there's music. YouTube doesn't like that. Excuse me? Is it okay to not music? Is it okay? Yeah, thank you. You lift your head and you manifest a solution, not a specific amount of money. So this is why this changed everything for me. Because my finances got fixed. Well, I'm not done yet, but it's a totally different world after I did this. So I spoke up and I said, my intention is that I am receiving a solution to my money problems or issues. And that this happens in the best interest of all. And I ask for this or something even better. This is also going to make more sense when you read the description. And I now ask my guides to help me with this manifestation. It is so much easier to believe that a solution will come than that I will get 10,000 euros or some specific amount. Because I don't believe that will happen. I struggle. This might not be you, but this is me. I kind of don't believe that visualizing it and feeling the joy before you have it, it doesn't work for me. But now I have used my creator powers and I've asked my guides to assist, and I don't know what's coming. I only know it's a solution. It can come in thousands, literally I guess, of ways. And that removes my blocks and my limiting beliefs, because I don't know. I have no idea. And I don't know how powerful my guides are. I don't know how powerful I am. Actually, I don't think we do realize how powerful we are. So that's it. Anything more I'd like to add? Yeah, and also after you've done that, this also will make sense down below. You just let it go. You trust the universe to do its magic, because now you intended it, you created it, you ask for help, you ask for this or something even better, leaving it wide open in the best interest of all, wide open. So there's a lot of Jay, the mysterious anonymous doctor woman who gives us insights. She said, look at reality as a responsive energy field. When you speak with your voice and have a clear intention, the field moves. And if we look at quantum physics, it suggests that we're all connected, like in a web, right? So if you move your part of the web, meaning using your intention to speak and to intend and to ask for a solution, the field vibrates and moves and responds. I think that's a good way of seeing what is happening. And I don't know we will understand it completely until we move through and out of this Earth school. But that's I think that's a nice way of seeing it. Yeah. So hopefully this will help you. Use the speak up method, link down below. There's more info there for you to understand it better. And let me tell you, the feedback from people about using this method for different purposes, it's amazing. And not money, but other things happens in seconds. So please take a look and please let me know how you are doing in the comments, and please share your technique and your insights. That would be awesome. Okay guys, see you in 24 hours from now with a new video in this series.